Peace, family. Peace, family. It's your man, Elder Vine Bay. I'm showing y'all something here, giving you some free game. Now, here's one of my clients. I'm going to keep the name anonymous. But as you see here, this is Asher Collection Services, right? They verified this on their credit report a couple of days ago. A balance owed of $421. Date opened. They said the date it was open was August the 18th. Follow me. So they selected as derogatory, and it's a collection that they put on their credit report, right? Okay, so knowing what I know, I took this information and I said, let me pull up and see if they are registered to do business in the state of Ohio. So I went here to Ohio Secretary of State.gov, clicked on this business search, correct? So we want to search and see if the business is registered. And lo and behold, boom, check it out. They're a foreign corporation. They filed in 2002. They located in Alabama. Business name, Asher Collection Services. What's that say? Canceled. Uh-oh. They not registered to do business in the state of Ohio, people. Canceled. When did it cancel? We scroll down here. Canceled by the tax department with notification. So they was notified that they was canceled in April 6, 2011. You can pull up an image and see the information. And this is what it looks like, people. As of today, these folks' status to doing business in the state of Ohio was canceled. Here go the stamp. With notification. That means they notified them. Canceled by the tax department with notification. Yeah. Y'all ain't been able to collect money or do business in the state of Ohio for 9 years. Stop playing with me. Divine Wealth Principles. We do more than credit repair, people. We actually research and we know the law. Come rock with your boy, man.